Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Dee. Guess what I got in the mail? Guess what I got? Just guess. What do you think? Yes, my Boxy Charm is here. It's actually quite early for them to be here. It's only like the first week of March, and what's today is the 5th. Now, talk about fast. I am so excited. I cannot wait to dig into this box. I am not sure if it's the Boxy pop-up stuff that I bought or my actual monthly subscription. So we'll see. We'll see. Let me see. Oh, it's my Boxy. Okay. First of all, this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Boxy Charm Premium Box. Okay. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to show you. Okay, let me show you. So this is what it looks like. And it's, this month is just, okay, phone thing, hang on. Okay, this is what it looks like. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full products of the Fenty Beauty collection. So here is what we got, and I'm just gonna pull out what we got and show you as I read about it. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. So the first item is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. And then this is what this looks like. And then this is creamy, long-lasting, endless ways to glow. And this is the shade Trophy Wife. Actually, this is the shade that I really wanted to get. How do I open this? Okay. That I really wanted to get, because highlighters, you know, they're always that shimmery color, but yet like no really color. And this one, oh, look at this packaging. It's so pretty. This actually is like an actual color. Oh my god, this is stunning. Look at this. It is so beautiful. Let me do a swatch. Look at this. Oh my god. This is stunning. Stunning. So beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. It's light up where you want, when you want, with this weightless longwear cream powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy Wife. And this retails for $36. $36. Okay, the next thing that we got is the Fenty Beauty Invisimate, in whatever, I'm probably butchering this really bad. It's a portable anti-shine mattify on the fly, anti-brilliance format. Oh, okay, so these are the bloating paper thingies. Okay. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really nice, and it has like a little picture on how to use it and everything. Let me see. It's kind of hard to get it out of the box. Okay, here we go. So it has a little mirror. How cute! So this is like, hold on, let me open it properly, guys. I don't want to half-ass this. All right, here we go. Now I can show you properly. So this is what this looks like. It has a little mirror that just broke. It just broke. All right then, I guess we will pretend that didn't happen. It fell again. Okay then, mine came broken. That's a bummer. And here are the papers, and they come with this little like seal. And then I'm guessing you put this in here. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this opens. Let me take this off before it keeps falling off. You open this up, and then let me see this. Okay, so then this little compartment thing, it opens, and then you put the little bloating paper there. And then that is it. I'm not going to open it right now, but then what the idea of it is that you pull out the sheet and then you clamp it in here, and then it'll leave like a little excess sheet right here where you can pull it, and these little teeth thingies look like they're like what cuts it. It's pretty nifty. Pretty cool to just throw in your purse as well. So it says that, what does it say about this? It's the Invisimod blotting paper, ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in the stealth mode with a super cheek refillable mirrored compact that looks like a lipstick case. It does look like a lipstick case. Like, you remember back in the day, well, I don't know, but my mom, she had this one lipstick case that it was kind of like this concept, and then she opened it up, and then inside was the lipstick, and right here had like a little mirror. I don't know, do those still exist? I don't know. Okay, the mirror fell again. Moving on. It lifts away shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched, and this retails for $16. Not sure I would pay $16 for this, especially when mine came broken. The e.l.f. bloating papers and other products are equally, if not better. Haven't really tried this one, so I don't want to really trash talk about this without having tried it, but I wouldn't pay $16 for bloating papers. Anyway, moving on. I got the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. Ooh. And then this says, let's see what this says about this. All moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish. Available in a rainbow of white lace color, intense shades. Each designed to flatter all skin tones. This retails for $18. And this is the packaging that it comes in. I'm gonna open this and see. I love these packaging thingies. It's so pretty, like chromy and like shapy, like 3D. I really like it. I love it. Okay. Ooh, look at what I got. Can you see? It's like a maroon, a dark maroon. Let me see, I'll swatch it for you. I don't want to swatch it because look at this. You can see the little stamp on it. And if I swatch it, it's going to go away. But I'll do it. I'll do it just to show you. Ooh, very pretty. Very pretty. It's definitely like a dark brown color. Pretty cool. I don't think I had a dark brown. So, nice. Moving on. We got the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. I've heard a lot about this. This is the shade Diamond Milk. And then this says, the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. In shade Diamond Milk, a dewy highlight for your lips, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is the essential finishing touch to your Fenty base. And this retails for $19. Let's see. I think I have this one already. Let me see. Oh, this is what this looks like. This is the packaging. Super beautiful. Super stunning. And then I'm going to... Wait, I'm pretty sure I have this one. Let me see. Oh, no, I have a similar one. This is a confetti. This is the confetti. I don't have... It looks pretty similar. Let me put them side by side. Only that this one is more pinkish and this one is more clearish. So let's see what this swatch is like. I'm going to put it over the lipstick so that you can see. And then I'm going to put it by itself. So this is over that lipstick. Look how pretty. And this is by itself. It's so stunning. So stunning. I love it because, oh my god, it smells like candy. Oh my god, this smells like you just want to eat it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, I'm excited. And the good thing about it is that because it's like color free, you can literally just put it on top of anything. You don't really have to, you can use it on your own, on its own, or like on top of any color, and I think it's just gonna look so stunning. So the other thing that we got here is the Matchsticks Shimmer Skin Stick. And then this is a highlight, blush, and enhance longwear light as air layering. And this says, look, this is a magnetized makeup stick in a longwear light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This longwear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Included shades may vary. And this retails for $25. So I got the rum, which honestly, low key, this is really the shade that I wanted, because I could use it as a bronzer, like highlight my bronzer. So, oh, I didn't show you. Ignore. Rewind. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is the packaging that this comes in. It's absolutely super stunning, so slick, so chic, super pretty. And this is what this looks like. It's like a rolly ball thingy. And then you just roll it up like you would a lipstick. And then I'm just gonna apply right here. Oh my god, that is to die for. It's this one right here. Oh my god, so gorgeous. So stunning. Wow. And it's super creamy, super smooth. It's not sticky whatsoever. I really like it. I can't wait to use this. Okay. And then last but not least, dun, 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 we got the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. And now I'm just gonna show you what this looks like. Wait, before, let me see what it says about this. It says Moroccan Spice has 16 richly pigmented shades, serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. And it retails for $29. I think it's on sale at Sephora. If you have like Sephora online, an account, I think it's on sale. So you might wanna go get one. So this is the stunning packaging. Look at how gorgeous this is. So chic. Wow. And it feels very sturdy. Super pretty. And then this is what this looks like when I open it. Oh wow, so pretty. Okay, I'll show you like this. Look at these shades. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I like how they're positioned instead of like your usual eyeshadow palette. They're like this, kind of like a diamond. Super cool how they did that. And it comes with this huge mirror. Obviously I have the little plastic on it, but that is so pretty. Okay, I'll do a couple of swatches real quick. I'll do this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. So look at how pretty this blue is. And I love this one right here. This ones are shimmery. Pretty colors. And then you have your shimmery colors and you have your mattes. Let's see. Oh, I want to do this one. Ooh. This is definitely super stunning. Okay, so this is it. This is, I think, this is, yes, this is it. And then the box is like super cute because it's the Fenty Premium March box. So it's the Fenty theme box. Aw, I was kind of low-key expecting to see something under there, but nope. Fake out. Anyway, this is what I got for this month. This month was just dedicated to one brand. Hopefully they do this again. I think it's a very cool concept. I like the brand that they chose. Hopefully they pick really cool brands as well for next time if they decide that they want to do this again. If not, then I think the fun part of it is like getting like all kinds of brand stuff, trying new things. But this is good. This is good. I really like this concept of one brand boxing. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like the one brand boxing, or would you rather just get individual different brand kind of items in your boxes. I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll upload 2 videos every week, usually around the weekend time frame, because I have no time. I just got home from work. I'm off tomorrow, so that means that this video is gonna be uploaded tonight. So that's good. I hope you have a great day, a great weekend, or whatever day or time it is for you. Thanks for watching.